my name's Brooke with WTI. I have to show you these little critters vitamin D that my kids love to take. They love them, and every time I say come get one, they say yay, and they're happy and they don't complain. And it's such a great supplement I like giving my kids in the winter because maybe they're not outdoors as much because it's cold or the sun's not out as long. So it helps them just to feel healthy and make sure that they're happy, and I know that they're getting enough. So this is a great vitamin to have in the house. I like the flavors that it comes in. It has 3 different flavors: a ripe raspberry, plump peach, and a chewy blackberry. I like how the colors are different, so you know, but all of the flavors are delicious. And I like how soft the vitamin is. They are tender, they are not hard, they are very soft, so the kids don't complain. They're very happy. There has been times in the past where I would tell them, come get their vitamin, and they are like, I don't want to, because if they don't like it, then it's a struggle. So that's why I like these vitamins here. I like to keep them in the house, so it's a great thing to add, especially during those winter months. And that's my point of view.